The thing that most people don't understand about meditation is that as good as it is for reducing the feelings that we don't want to feel, like stress or anxiety, it's even better, even more powerful, even more magical at helping us cultivate the feelings that we do want to feel, like joy, happiness, and love. And that's what we're going to be doing today. I have a very special meditation prepared for you around cultivating more joy in your life. If you aren't already subscribed, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you'll receive notifications and you'll be the first to know when I have videos about calm, confidence, and communication. Not all of these videos are meditation videos, though they are some of my favorites. So let's dive into the meditation today. I want to invite you to find a comfortable position, whatever that means for you. You can do this meditation standing, seated, lying down. You can sit on a chair like I'm sitting. You can sit on the floor, on a cushion, whatever's going to work for you. A position that will allow you to be alert and upright, but also comfortable, cozy. So finding that position for yourself. Once you find a comfortable position, I want to invite you to close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. And if not, you might just lower your gaze like you're looking 3 feet in front of you on the floor. And then allowing yourself to begin to extend your inhale and your exhale. Nice, long, slow breaths. Sending this next breath in through your nose, deep into your belly. Exhaling out through your mouth. Good, let's do that again. This time sending the breath deep into your feet. Breathing in deeply. Exhaling out through the mouth. Good. On this next exhale, I want you to see if you can sink a centimeter more deeply into the surface beneath you. And then allowing your breath to return to its normal rhythm. Tuning into your body, noticing if there are any areas that are holding tension or tightness. Not trying to force them or change them, but just simply sending your breath into that area. Allowing yourself to settle, letting go of anything that has already happened today, anything you have planned, coming into this very present moment. Now bringing to mind, picturing in your mind, your favorite place in nature. Maybe this is in your backyard. Maybe it's in a vacation that you took, or a picture in a magazine that you saw, or maybe it is entirely made up. No wrong answers. Seeing that place in your mind's eye, allowing yourself to feel the temperature of this place. Maybe you feel the sun on your skin or the breeze on your cheeks. Noticing the colors of the foliage around you. Allowing yourself to take in the beauty around you. And then letting that image go. Next, bringing to mind the happiest person you know. Seeing this person in your mind's eye, seeing their smiling face. And imagining them doing the thing that brings them the most joy. The happiest person you know in their happiest circumstance. Maybe as you picture their smile, a smile comes to your own lips. And you're just going to experiment with giving them a couple of phrases of offering. I am happy for your happiness. Now you're just going to now we're going to send them some well wishes. In your mind, repeating after me, I am happy for your happiness. May your joy continue to expand. Again, I am happy for your happiness. May your joy continue to expand. Letting their image go in your mind, next bringing to mind someone that you love very dearly. An uncomplicated relationship, maybe a child or even a pet, a mentor, a family member, picturing them in your mind, seeing them doing the thing that makes them happiest, seeing the joy on their face, and again, offering them the same well wishes. I am happy for your happiness. May your joy continue to expand. Again, I am happy for your happiness. May your joy continue to expand. Letting that image of that person go. Next, picturing yourself doing something that brings you joy. Seeing the smile on your own face. Be feeling what it feels like to feel that joy. This time offering yourself the well wishes. I am happy for my happiness. May my joy continue to expand. Again, I am happy for my happiness. Repeating in your mind. May my joy continue to expand. Letting the image of yourself go. Lastly, picturing yourself in this current environment as if you have a bird's eye view. You're zooming out and you see the building that you're in and also the buildings around you. Maybe they're office buildings or a neighborhood or apartments. And I want you to imagine all of the moments of joy that could be happening all around you right now. Maybe someone received great news. Seeing their joy. Maybe there's a small child who just had a really sweet taste of watermelon. Imagining their joy. Maybe there's a dog who's getting to play ball right now. Seeing them bound around. Now tuning inward to yourself and just noticing what you're feeling right now. Do you feel a lightness, an expansion? Do you feel a joy from thinking about all these instances of joy? No right or wrong answer. Regardless of what you're feeling, you're planting seeds for the future and cultivating more joy. If you are feeling a little bit of that joy right now, seeing if you want to bring a smile to your lips, if you want to soak it in a little bit more, letting this be a blueprint for what joy feels like in this body. Then as you're ready, taking a deep breath in and out. Good. And wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes, maybe giving yourself a nice stretch and blinking your eyes open. Thank you for taking this time to bring yourself some joy today. It is my absolute joy to do this with you. And if you liked the video, let me know. Let me know what your experience was like in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.